Okay, did a bit of cleaning, took the chain off, and I was thinking about, no, maybe I can still use the chain a bit. It's a bit worn, but you know, then I found some tight spots, and holy moly, this has been run into the ground. A bay. Took the cam cover off. All is well in cam cover land, I guess. Took the cam chain sprocket bolt out because this one is the original and this one is from the other engine, and like this spline in here goes on here. So yeah, replace it with this, put some Loctite on it, and job's done. Job's a good one. Yay. I put the new bolt in and did the chain tension, or else the whole camshaft comes towards the outside. And this is the one that came with the other engine, the other water pump. And I was like, okay, cool. This looks like it should fit, but this will not fit. This is too big. Anyway, this one does fit. So there's like a minute difference between the spacing of it all. So yeah, I'm glad I bought the pile of parts for $70 because this one just goes like floop. There we go. And the other one will not fit. So KTM has a lot of this stuff where it's like the same, but it's not the same. These two don't fit. These two do fit. Only this one does not have this connector. So I think I need one, because one that's with the other engine, which the whole cooling system is based on, does have it. This one has a drain hole. This one doesn't, but has like an extra spout here. And this one does have a drain hole like this one. And these things are all the same serial number. The fuck, KTM? The fuck? Got the valve clearance all sorted out. Got the coolant pump on, mixed and matched and ready to go. It's in the correct orientation, going off what the Google images tell me, so this should all be good. So time to chuck it in into the frame. Okay, back at the shop. I'm almost done with the engine. I left this overnight. Let's see. Ooh, that's heavy. There we go. The gasket of the clutch cover was rotten away, so I left this overnight so it could heal, I guess. I'll have to cut this out, and I'll have a good gasket then. Engine needs one more thing after that, I reckon, and that's the chain tensioner, the cam chain. So I'll pop it off, reset it, and put it back in. Should be easy squeezy peasy. Then it's time for final assembly. I've been looking at some manuals and stuff, and I can't find anything without paying for it, so I might have to just buy a manual. So update, I cleaned out one of the oil coolers I had, this one. Installed the oil filter here, replaced the sensor over here, which I have no clue what goes on it, because I don't have any electronics for it. Anyway, the funny thing is though, because there was this weird filter in here, which was this pipe with spring in here, and had all this paper on it, like a whole roll that fit in here, which was gross. But I can't get a new filter. They are discontinued, I guess. So what I found was this. So I can put this on here. It's a bit mangled. And so yeah, this fits over the insert. So I can just pop in this one, and I'm done. So yeah, it's just a random filter I still had. So yay, it's a bit mangled, but that's okay. Last thing I have to do before I can test is add some coolant, and then it should be good to go. I didn't film anything because I forgot my other camera, and I just wanted to get it done. Oh yeah, and I have to adjust the timing because there's a mark on the other side, and I shouldn't forget to do that. So I'll probably kick my ass off trying to start it. Yeah, I made my own cooling system somewhat. This is from a Kawasaki. It's a hodgepodge of parts. I don't know. I think it will work. I'm just tired. I want to see if it runs. So gonna adjust the timing, fill it with coolant, and then give it a few kicks. I'm gonna put on my work shoes, and not these, because Chinese work shoes are not made for kickstarting machines like this. Yeah. I had to do a lot of different stuff. The oil cooler needed fixing, and I had to sort out all the different coolant hoses because they don't match the new thermostat. Oh my god. And I still have to fix all the cabling and stuff because I don't have a clutch, and I don't have a decompressor, which I do want. Carburetor is hooked up though, so I can use the carburetor. Okay, so the carburetor is leaking, so that kind of sucks, so I have to take that apart again. I'm just gonna kick it over a few times, see how the compression feels, if she will start or not. I'll hook up an extra spark plug to see if she sparks first, and then we'll still see what she does. I don't know. I have spark. Okay. Oh, hold up. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I tried it all yesterday. Tried it all. I didn't try everything, but I tried to kickstart it, and no dice. It did have spark, not that great, but it did have spark. Also, this is going to be episode 3, I think, or something along those lines. The carburetor leaked. I think it's not so much the float stop, the needle, float needle. That's it. That's the word. I think it's the floats themselves. The prongs are too high, so I'm gonna bend them back a bit. And hopefully, the fuel will stop in time. I also bought some new fuel because I was siphoning it off the XL, which is annoying. I'm just gonna put the tank on as well for the test. A few things though. So to recap, there's a few things. I need to fix the clutch, fix the decompressor, measure the SAM stator. I found the manual this morning, so that's good. So I can measure the resistance. Fix the leaky carb and try to clean it out a bit. Just blow some air through it, see if it's all good. And attach the chain and sprocket combi, because I bought a new chain and sprocket set, which is nice. I bought this without even knowing if I can get it to run, but whatever, it's gonna run. I have faith in myself. Also, I checked YouTube for how to kickstart these things. It's like 10,001 ways to kickstart it. I don't know. Some people call it Fingerspitzengefühl. I have no idea. I am not a German, so I don't know. And whatever. It will work. One day it will work. Well, I have a new clutch lever that clutches pretty well. I found one in a parts bin. Yeah, the thread was out, so I put a helicoil in here. I heated this one up because there was a lot of play on it, and whacked it with the Hemaru. But yeah, we don't have a lot of slack left, but it should be enough for a comfortable ride. It feels pretty good. It's you know, old lever, but if it works, it works. So I have this old brake lever from my bicycle, which is gonna serve as my decompressor lever. Really fancy like and all that. So I'll just have to find a way to rig it up on the other side of the engine. Over on here. So it needs to pull on this, so it's going to be almost like this, I think. All right. Got my decompressor jiggy-bob done. It's pretty, let's see. Yeah, here it is. So pretty simple. Hey, it works. Works just like my XL one, so that's nice. Even got like a pretty luxurious Dior lever from a bicycle. So you're just there, and then you can just squeeze a bit more, and that's when the valves lift. Oh, boop, boop. So it has enough slack to not probably not hit while running. So perfect. So before I try to start it, two more things: carburetor and the stator. And I knew I had another one. It's this one, but I thought I might have accidentally sold it with some parts, but I didn't. So that's awesome. I hope this one's good.